Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Las Vegas Strip and its famous attractions. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is the Las Vegas Strip located in New York? No, it is located in Las Vegas, Nevada. Did the Las Vegas Strip begin developing in the 1940s? Yes, it started with the opening of El Rancho Vegas. Is the Las Vegas Strip only 1 mile long? No, it is about 4.2 miles long. Did famous performers like Frank Sinatra perform in Las Vegas? Yes, he and many other stars performed there. Can you visit a mini version of Paris on the Strip? Yes, at the Paris Las Vegas Hotel. Is gambling illegal on the Las Vegas Strip? No, gambling is a major attraction there. Does the phrase, "what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas," mean people never leave? No, it means you can enjoy yourself without outside judgment. Is the Strip known for quiet and relaxation? No, it's known for entertainment, lights, and nightlife. Can you take a gondola ride at the Venetian Hotel in Las Vegas? Yes, it's one of the Strip's famous experiences. Do millions of tourists visit the Las Vegas Strip every year? Yes, it attracts millions of visitors annually. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.